A general average claim can take years to finalize, so let's look at an example for a breakdown of each party's contribution. Once general average is declared, an average adjuster is assigned to the case. A general average adjuster is a sworn expert for general average acts, and they deal with the practical handling of the general average. The general average process can take about 5 years, and it is the adjuster that will calculate and collect the amounts due from all parties concerned in the salved property. So let's take a look at a very general example of how an adjuster will work through a general average event that arose from a fire on board the ship. First, the adjuster is going to put together a figure for the total general average claim value. This figure will include all the expenses that went into the effort to save the ship from peril. In the case of a fire, these might include, but are not limited to, the expense of safe harbor fees, a tugboat to safe harbor, or the cost of forwarding the cargo on if the voyage cannot continue. For the sake of simplicity, let's say those expenses equal $5 million. This is the total amount that must be paid by all parties involved in the sea venture. In order to calculate how much each party must contribute, the adjuster will look at the total value of the voyage and what percentage of that belongs to each party. Those percentages will then be applied to the general average claim value. So if the total value of the ship itself is $10 million, and the total CIF value of the cargo on board is $8.5 million, then the total contributory value is $18,500,000. The breakdown of that value is as follows. The vessel owner's interest is valued at $10 million. Cargo owner number 1's interest is valued at $5 million. Cargo owner number 2's interest is valued at $2 million. Cargo owner number 3's interest is valued at $1 million. And cargo owner number 4's interest is valued at $500,000. Now, we divide each of those amounts by the total contributory value in order to get the percentage of each party's interest in the voyage. Then, we apply that percentage to the value of the general average claim by multiplying each percentage by $5 million. The resulting amounts are the general average contributions for each party involved in the voyage. The amount is what each party in the voyage must pay to cover the costs of the general average event. A general average contribution is separate from a marine cargo insurance claim for any lost cargo.